back to the channel. If you are new, what's up? My name is Shy. If you're not, welcome back to the channel. So today is going to be a little get ready with me. It's the bank holiday weekend, so I thought I'd just do a little get ready with me. I haven't actually done like a get ready with me makeup, hair and outfit, so that's what we're going to do today. So let's just get into it because your girl takes a minute. I do have my elastic band on just to keep the lace down for maximum hold because the sun is out. I already know the alcohol consumption is going to be real. So let's get into the face. So my brows are always done. I always do them before I come on camera. Excuse the raggedy appearance, but I do use this xxfine brow pencil in the shade deep brown. It's my favorite pencil. It's only £7, and then I just use my LA Girl Pro concealer, and I use the shade, I think it's even rubbed off. Ooh, I believe it's shade Toffee. So for skin prep, I'm actually gonna use my vitamin E hydrating mist. It's pretty warm outside and I have quite normal to dry skin, and I've been wearing makeup for a good couple of days now. I'm straight, so I do want to make sure my skin's hydrated before I can have like a full break of makeup. So I'm just gonna spray this, just let that melt in. So of course I'm gonna put on my SPF. This is the Bondi Sands fragrance free daily moisturizing face SPF 50+. This is really good. I like that it gives my skin a bit of a glow, and it also leaves no white residue, so I definitely recommend this, and it's super affordable. I think it's around £5 or £7. I'm not completely sure, but they sell it in superdrug. Boots, I got mine off Pretty Little Thing one time because it was literally sold out everywhere, but since the sun's coming out, well, we need SPF all year round, but the sun's definitely out, so extra protection. Okay, so I'm gonna use a little bit of this. I know some people say you're meant to reapply SPF, but I'm not gonna lie, no. You guys already know I love my MUA Pro Base primer. I do want to try out the Milk Hydro Grip, especially now that it's summertime and you need your makeup, if you're gonna wear makeup, to stay on. And Tiara Walker likes the Hydro Grip, and she does have like normal to dry skin too, so I think it might be a go for me. Because it's quite a warm day, I'm not gonna do too much, but I've been loving this product anyway. It's the Fenty Beauty Ease Drop in the shade 21. So I'm just gonna apply this. I've been doing my makeup all weekend, like I said, so I haven't got a chance to wash my brushes, but I promise this ain't no week-old brush, okay? It's 3-day-old. And I only use it for foundation anyway, so I'm just gonna literally tap that in nicely. Just give me a nice, smooth complexion. We just want to look, you know, flawless. Now we're gonna front lashes. I'm not gonna do any eyeshadow. We're keeping it super simple today. So I'm gonna throw on my SHAI Girl lashes that I love. This is how they look, very wispy, super pretty. I love these. They suit my eye shape so perfectly. I love this Isla lash glue. It's the 18-hour latex free lash glue. This is so good. Like, I glued on my cousin's lashes from Friday, and I'm sure she still has them on today. Like, literally, it's lasted her all weekend. She's never taken them off yet, so this is definitely a good glue. Like, I cannot recommend it anymore. They call me a big purr. Can make that purr. I don't even know the rest of the song. I said that part. Okay, so lashes are on. Let's get into highlighting because that's my favorite part. Let's go in with Revolution C13.5. So I'm just gonna go here in the middle and like I usually do. Why does it feel so dry? Hold on, wait a second. I do have more normal to dry skin. I rather my concealer look a little bit more wet than it look like dry, if you guys get what I mean. I think that makes sense. I'd rather my concealer look a little bit more wet than it look, you know, really flawless coverage but look dry, because at the end of the day, even if it looks flawless in pictures, like in real life when you're like meeting anybody or, you know, talking to anyone's face, you don't want your skin to look horrible, you know. So that's a little, well, not a little hack, but a little tip, that you do have a little bit of dampness in your sponge. For contour, I'm gonna do my nose contour first, then I'll do my cheek contour since I'm using two different products. So for my nose, I'm gonna use my regular C18 concealer from Makeup Revolution. Just gonna blend out the concealer first. I'm feeling like my nose contour hasn't really been on point as of recent, so I'm gonna try and get it on point. Blend that in like this. To contour, I'm going to use my cream bronzer from Fenty in Toffee Tease. I love using this in the summertime. It gives my skin such a really nice radiance. I was obsessed with it, I think, last year when it came out. I want to use this Real Techniques foundation brush and just kind of find where kind of I would like to contour. I'm going to use the back of my beauty sponge and just diffuse that in. I'm going to use my huda to set under my eyes because I like the warm colour. When it's warm outside, I just like to look a little bit more toasted and warm. And I love this honey shade, and this powder really keeps my makeup set. Like, it keeps my makeup flawless under my eyes. I've literally slept with my makeup before, literally, and my under eyes still look very flawless. But I'm just going to use a little bit of this. And I literally just press it in and just marry it into my concealer. When it's hot outside and when you're like going out or like, you know, doing social things and you want your makeup to stay in place, you want to take pictures, like make sure your under eyes is flawless. Like, you can always kind of top up like with like a powder foundation or even just like a little light powder in your bag. You can go around your mouth, you can go on your forehead, but your under eyes, it has to be flawless from when you leave to when you come back in. Thick Mint, we didn't have her last summer, but we have her now, and I'm obsessed. I've literally been using her non-stop since I've got her. So I'm just gonna use some Thick Mint and just soften that up. I'm gonna use my Benefit Brow Setter just to comb through my brows, keep them in place as long as possible. I've been absolutely obsessed with this NYX Sweet Cheeks blush in Always Famous. I get so many compliments on this blush whenever I wear it, so that's what I'm going to do today. I was going to put on my Fenty Daiquiri Dip because that glow is like impeccable. I might actually layer it because it's just so pretty, but I love the colour of this and how it diffuses into my cheeks. I'm going to use the back of my beauty blender like I did before. Just blend this in. And the way I like to blend my blush is like to go up like this. I don't like to like stay around here because I find that when I do this like upwards motion, it kind of gives me a little bit of a facelift and it's kind of cute. I guess I just followed the shape of like my contour and my bronzer, but I seen on TikTok that this actually makes your face look more lifted rather than, I don't know what the difference is, but I like it this way. So I'm just gonna blend that out, and it does look like quite a lot, but blush usually wears throughout the day, so it's okay if it looks a little bit like heavy, you know, it's okay. So I could put a little bit of highlighter on. I do like putting it on my nose though. That's one place that I definitely always put glow, like just on the tip of my nose. So I'm just gonna put a little here, a little here. Sometimes I'll put a little bit on top here. I think I put a little bit yesterday. Just a little bit of glow. The tiniest amount. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. brow liner and just do my little beauty spot. That's kind of big. For now, we are basically done. I'm gonna actually just do my lips. I might as well, should I? No. I like to do my lips after I do my setting spray, so I'm gonna wait for that liquid liner to dry. So for now, let's just focus on the hair. Ooh. Okay, so as you can see, we're gonna have to work on some powder at the top. For my hair, I think I'm just gonna wet it with water and just have that be it, because I don't really have time to do anything. I let that water kind of saturate in. So now we're going to set our face. So I'm actually gonna use a little bit of my vitamin E hydrating mist that we started off with. Ooh. Just to give our face that kind of glow, and then we're gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. This setting spray literally holds my makeup in place, holds it down. Right, so your girl's face is ready. Now we're gonna go on to lips. So I think you guys can guess my lip combo today. we're just going to use Fenty. I'm going to use some of that Huda setting powder and just go over places that I really want to remain matte, because I think my skin's got a nice glow to it, but a little too much, you know. I'm going to use my Hot Chocolate by Fenty. This has been like my go-to. Okay, so let's get into our little outfit. So if you guys do see any makeup on my top, just know I'm just a little clumsy, okay? So for outfit, I was looking at this top that I got from Shein. Kind of cute and sexy because the tie-up part and then the frills just make it really girly and really nice. So I think I'm gonna wear this. I got this in a size small. And then for bottoms, I was thinking to wear some denim. So I'm wearing these Zara jeans. These are just some high-waist jeans. They're kind of like, I wouldn't say baggy, but like have like a paper bag effect, and then at the bottom they kind of come in, which is nice because I do have quite small ankles, so this definitely is very flattering on me. For a bag, I'm literally gonna use this really cute green bag that I also got from Shein in the same haul. As you guys can see, the green is really complementary to the green in the top. It is kind of small, but you can fit a good amount of things in there. Like, it has a nice depth. And for shoes, I think I'm just gonna throw on some Converse and like classic black chucks, because it's just simple, it's easy. I'm gonna be out all day. I don't know where the day's gonna take me, so you know, you gotta be prepared. Anything can happen in London. Like, that's one thing about this city. There's always so much going on that even if you plan to go out in the day for like lunch, you might not end up coming to your house till 1 o'clock in the morning because, oh, let's go have drinks, oh, let's do that, or oh, there's a party here, oh, there's a here. So you gotta be prepared, okay? Okay, so I am finally dressed. I'm obsessed with the top, the colors. I love my makeup today. I'm obsessed with everything. But yeah, this is the finished look. Hope you guys enjoy it. I am going to insert some clips on my day out today because I'm probably not going to vlog, but I'm gonna document a few stuff because why not? It's a hot girl summer, it's a hustle girl summer. I feel like we've been locked up so much the last year. I feel like we need to make up for those times. So I will be outside and having fun, okay? So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Your girl is out. Hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me hair makeup outfit type of video. Let me know if you guys enjoy these, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next one and roll on the next clips. Bye.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drippin' swag goo. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drippin' swag goo.
Come get it back and move. Bitch, come get it back and move.
Don't make me laugh behind my screen and I throw my